And how long have you been learning this language?
I have been learning this language, sir, for 2 years. But honestly, if I have to say you like, but I didn't give a consistency, or you can say like I didn't work in a properly. It's with a guidance or something. I don't didn't have the environment to like a talk. But nowadays, I'm watching a lot of people's like they are improving their language, and as well they are like a it doesn't matter where they belongs, but yes, it's a in they are doing very well and they are performing good, and that's why I inspire to you and lot of persons, or you can say mentors, co-learners, or teachers. Then I thought like I have to start because I am in a final year and I have to I have to face an interview. That's why nowadays I'm practicing.
Yeah, yeah, same here. I have been also learning 1.5 year, but I was also not, maintaining my consistency. I was not, because I was unable to talk with others. Because I had really no idea like how to connect with others. The last few months, I have been connecting with others and I'm talking with others. Yeah. And before, if I talk, then I used to do only myself practice talking like in front of the mirror, or I used to watch videos on YouTube, or sometimes I used to read books. Yeah, this all kind of things I used to do a lot.
Uh, yes, yes, that's it. Great. And I think nowadays you are not uploading videos because I will not seeing.
Yeah,
I'm not able.
actually, my phone has some technical issue. My phone was not good. That's why I was not making video. I had really no any phone. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
finally, I
Yes, sir.
purchased my phone.
Yes, yes. I didn't see you nowadays because I was watching your videos and like a Jaddu Kisku and so many people they are from also Jharkhand, and I
Yeah.
recently I was searching your videos, but I didn't get.
Yeah, last 2 3 days I have been making, but before 3 days, actually I had no phone. That's why I was not making. Yeah. So which district do you belong?
I belongs to in Jamshedpur. Do you know?
Yes, yes, I know.
Yes, yes. And where are you from, sir?
I'm from Jharkhand. I belong to Giridih district.
Giridih. Okay, okay.
Yes, yes. So do you live with your whole family? I think.
Yes, yes. My niece, sir. My niece is disturbing, and you, he sees watching you.
Uh, okay, no problem. But I have been living here in my maternal uncle home. My own residential place is, from here it's 45 kilometers away. Yes,
Okay, Giridih. I think it's Giridih, near Bokaro,
yes,
sir.
yeah, yeah. It's but Bokaro is a little far from here.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes. Giridih. I listen you're from Jharkhand. That's why I would like to connect with you. But I were trying a lot. I mean, I was trying a lot of many times, but I didn't connect. I think you were busy for somewhere. You was
Yeah,
busy
yeah.
for. Yes, that's why.
Okay. So every day do you talk with others, co-learners?
Sir, nowadays I'm connecting a co-learners and mentors. But yes, sometimes if I don't have that environment, then I am making myself on video.
So do you have also your own YouTube channel?
Yes, sir.
Do you have also your own YouTube channel? Do you run YouTube
Yes,
channel?
yes, 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 sir.
Okay. So, how long
Yes.
have you been working on it or making videos?
Sir, actually, I started I was started in a 15 days ago. You can consider 20 days because nowadays I didn't be I'm not uploading because of some I have some work. So that's why. But yes, in a one day, or you can consider like a one day left, one day like that.
Okay, alternate you upload, right? Not regularly.
Not regularly, yes, sir.
Yeah.
But I am conversations daily basis. Everyone, I am connecting everyone.
Would you like to share about your, schooling education? Have you completed your education from government school, Hindi medium or English medium?
I had completed my like a matriculation in a Hindi medium. Then after I had studied in Odisha. Like I did diploma. Then I choose a campus selection after my completing diploma. Then I had been working in a Bangalore for 4 years, near 4 years. Then now I am pursuing my engineering, sir. That's it.
You are also speaking very well. Your English is good.
Uh, no, sir. Actually, I like nowadays I am practicing because now also I am I consider myself as a somewhere I am lacking, and I have a hesitate, a few hesitate you can consider, or but nowadays I'm working on my, but no one can perfect, and that's why I'm trying, sir. That's it.
Yeah, it's a common thing in our life. Everybody face this kind of problems. Yes, whenever we start doing something new in our life, so it's a very common thing that we will have to face problems, right? Yeah,
Yes.
uh, like we are just learning this language, so it's a very common thing that we will make mistakes or we will get hesitate sometime, we fumble,
Mm.
yeah, we get stuck. We should not be worry of it. We should keep
Yes, yes.
learning. We should try to
Then,
improve
sir,
ourselves day by day. Yes, yes, yeah.
yes, yes. Sir, then are you practicing daily basis? Because you left some videos, you left some videos to uploading in a 1 month, or I don't know. But that time you were practicing, or that time you took a break some days.
Yeah, yeah, you can consider like I took a break because I had really no phone. That's why I was not practicing.
Hmm.
Last,
Yes, yes.
almost 14 or 15 days, I haven't talked with anyone. So really, I was feeling very boring, and like say, I was feeling like gradually I'm forgetting, this language.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, sir.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Because practice is very important. Yeah.
Yes. So what is the that what was the thing as a motivate to you, means okay, I have to learn this language.
Yeah, like in this day, as you can see, like people give more priority of this language. If you want to go in any sector, in any field, if you have degrees, knowledge, all the things, but if you don't have command on this language, if you don't know how to communicate, how to talk, so only because of this language you will be rejected. Yeah, you will not be selected over there. That's why I thought, it will really help me in my future, in my career. And communication is a very necessary thing that we must learn. That's why I started.
Yes, yes. Could you explain about Giridih, because it's a very I think it's a forest area. Can you mention for that some few things?
Yeah, 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 greedy. Yes, there is coal mines as well, and many tourism waterfall, and one is called Khandoli. So I also haven't visited all of places. I knew only I know few places, but I like
Then
traveling. In future, definitely, I would love to visit all part of the India. I will explore more and more things because I'm very passionate of it. Yes. Yeah.
okay.
So how do you practice? Uh, you know,
I now nowadays I am connecting on Skype app, and it's a very wonderful platform where we connect to so many peoples and we can learn and gain some new knowledge, and that's give me you can consider that is very useful everyone, not me. But yes, when I choose this platform, then I realize to yes, I whatever I choose, the platform is very right for me, everyone, and that I am getting, I'm connecting to a video calls, and that helps me a lot, because I will connecting a audio call only, but not a video call. And that I had a fear, and I had a hesitate to talk to the face to face interaction. And now when now I realize, okay, I few you can consider day by day I am reducing my fears, hesitations, and from in a I now also I had hesitate, I have a hesitate, but yes, it reduced somehow.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sure. Day by day, it will be reduced. Yes. So, how do you find, like talking on video call or like in audio call or on video call? What is the difference? Do you like to share your own
Audio,
experience?
yes, yes. Yes, it's very interesting. You're asking to audio, video call and audio call. Before I used to apps, the online apps. Nowadays, you can see many apps there. We can run a free, free basis, or if you want to improve, then you can pay for that sessions also. Then I were using the audio call Jaws Talks, and that English Talkie apps, Buddy, English Buddy, or something is called, and that I were using this kind of apps. Then after in an audio call, I can talk very well, but it when it comes to to face interactions or a video call, that time I were hesitating, or I had a fear for while I were interacting to the interviewers, or co-learners, and consider you or some people, because sir, because I was thinking it's very easy audio call, and it's a
Yes.
when I uh, audio call, we can easily connect to the peoples, and we were talking comfortable zone. That is our comfortable zone. And in a audio, it's a if it comes to a video call, then if you have to, if I am giving to some example, you I'm giving to okay, you go the stage and you give some speech, then that time I am not able to perform very well, because I didn't practice very well enough stage. If I am practicing very well, then I will perform very well. And that's I now I'm considering, because video call is very important, or it's very crucial in every sectors, because sir, audio call, it's you can talk, or you can conversations to the people, but if it comes to a video call, then it's very beneficial your future, or in your career, because that time you were reducing your fears. You can reduce your fears and hesitate, and that helps to your futures, and whatever you want to achieve your goals, and that helps very it's very beneficial. That's why I personally realize it's very beneficial to me, and others also. That's why I choose.
Yeah, yeah. Correct. Absolutely right. I agree with your point. Yeah, absolutely right. Yes. On video call, on audio call, we are very comfortable because we can't see each other face. That's why we can easily talk comfortably. But when it
Yes,
comes to talk on video call, we have to face to each other, we have to interact, eye contact. So yeah, if you don't have more practice of video call, then for the first time you will get hesitate, you will fear a lot. So yeah,
yes, sir.
by talking on video call, we reduce our fear, hesitation. Yes. And we build our confidence. That's the very beneficial for us. Yes. So
Yes, sir.
yes, I can see myself. Day by day, I'm also, uh, like building my confidence. Yes, I
Yes,
don't
sir.
afraid of talking with others, but before I used to, fear a lot. Like really, I used to fear how I will, face the people, how
Yes.
I will talk with them, because this kind of thoughts I used to, get in my mind. Okay, ma'am, because our video is getting longer, so I think, yeah, we should stop
Sir, yes,
recording. It was
now
really
I'm
nice